Welcome back, Lugnuts. If you're curious about the Can 2, then you've come to the right place. In the first part of this video, I'll be taking you on a tour of the bag's layout and its features, and in the second part, I'll show you how it can be packed and what fits. The Can 2 features a removable and adjustable strap that can be attached to the D-rings on either side of the bag. Do you ever lie awake at night wishing your Ranger was smaller, could be worn as a fanny pack, and carry a water bottle? Well, that's kind of what's happening here. Plus, it's got great structure. Check this out, the bag is empty. If you like your bags to stand up straight, I hope that got your attention. The first thing we're covering is the water bottle holder because it has. So I'll do the best that I can to demonstrate how easy or difficult it is to get them shut because I know a lot of you are fans of the magnetic closures. When Lug started using the snaps, I was apprehensive because I didn't like the idea of having to line things up and push really hard to get something to close, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, and truthfully for me, it isn't a deal breaker. Aside from the main compartment, the Can 2 has 3 other zip pockets. The first pocket is a perfect fit for the minuet. If I'm not putting my minuet there, my keys will probably go there. And while the Splits is a small wallet, if it's filled, it's going to have a very hard time living in this pocket. And if the tram is your jam, you'll have to find it a taller pocket. While every compartment does have its own gusset, the front 2 will be sharing some real estate, and I'll demonstrate that when we get into the main interior. I really do love a good belt bag, and the good thing about these belt loops is they're pretty tall, so you'll be able to fit this strap in here quite easily. Are you tired of short back pockets that don't extend to the bottom of your handbag? What if I told you that you not only get full use of the space beneath the zipper, but full use of the space above the zipper as well? That's right, your pocket extends all the way to the top of the bag. In the bag's main interior, you have one stretchy cargo pocket which is not soft lined, and on the opposite wall you have a clear view pocket. Now this is where I ran into a bit of an issue. If I put anything in the clear view pocket that isn't mostly flat, it takes up space in my front 2 pockets. So I can fit the minuet and I can fit the lotion, but when I try to put the Kindle where most people I think are going to be putting their phones, I can't fit it in because the minuet and the lotion are actually touching through the pockets. So now I have decisions to make. I either move the minuet and put it in the cargo pocket in the main interior, or I take out the lotion. But if I put something in the clear view pocket that's less obtrusive with the minuet still in the front, I no longer have the issue with my Kindle. And now here are how some wallets fit in the main interior. The tram is a great fit. For me, it worked better when I stood the wallet up because I had to push in order to get the wallet to fit horizontally. The tandem was a little tougher to fit, and while I could close the zipper around the wallet, I could see the corners of the wallet poking through the zipper. So while you could use it as your wallet for this bag, I tend to think there are some other wallets that might fit a little more comfortably. And if you don't want the minuet in your front pocket, you could put it in the cargo pocket and then free up your front pocket for something else. So let's come back to the water bottle pocket. This is how a water bottle looks in this pocket, and surprisingly, I've got a good bit of space around the water bottle. And if anybody is wondering, why is there Velcro? Well, this is why, because your flaps are gonna flap around. And when you've got that bag against your body, you don't want that getting caught. So now it's gonna be nice and streamlined, and it looks nicer, it'll feel nicer because it is secured. And once again, those snaps were pretty easy. All right, lug nuts, I'll check back in with you after the packing segment. That's going to wrap up this video. I am so excited to be able to catch the special on this bag tomorrow on QVC with you guys. And hey, if you're still on YouTube for a little while, head over to this other YouTuber's channel and check her out and subscribe to her as well, because she does some great reviews. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. As always, I'll see you guys next time.